we're just going to do some practice identifying the GCF. If you turn the page in your notes, we've got example 1, finding the greatest common factor. So that sentence at the top there says, here we're looking for the greatest common factor that can be pulled out of each term given to us. Okay, so we're going to find the greatest common factor for a pair of terms. So example 1, we're going to find the GCF of 5m squared n and 15 mn squared. Okay, pretty straightforward. All right, so what is the largest thing that I can divide both of these terms by? Okay, and to answer that, we're going to just analyze these terms piece by piece. Okay, we're going to look at each piece and try to figure out what the largest thing we can divide out of each piece is. So the coefficients first. What is the largest number that I can divide 15 and 5 by? Well, 5. Okay, so in constructing my GCF, the first part would be 5, because both terms can be divided by 5. And also that is the largest thing I can divide them by. Alright, looking now at the m's, I've got m squared here and m. The largest thing I can divide out of both of those is just m to the 1, or m. And then the largest thing I can divide out of n and n squared is n as well. Okay, n to the 1. So that is my GCF. That is the largest thing that I can divide both of those terms by. Okay, another example, we're going to find the GCF of 48 ab cubed c and 36 a squared b squared c squared. Okay? Alright, so I need to again find the largest thing that I can divide both of these terms by. So looking at 48 and 36, notice that I could divide both of those things by 2. I could divide both of those things by 4. I could divide both of those things by 3 even, I forgot about that one. 6 as well. But the largest thing, the greatest factor that is common to both, is 12. So that's the one I want to choose. Remember, I'm looking for the largest, the greatest common factor. Analyzing the a's, I've got a to the 1 and a squared. So the largest thing I can pull is a. The b's, got b cubed, b squared. So b squared is the largest thing I can pull. And c to the 1 and c squared. So the largest thing I can pull is just plain old c. Okay, so there's my GCF.